a public service announcement today. First thing in the video, if you have a Softail or Sportster or anything with an oil tank above the crankcase, and it's been sitting, it's very likely that the oil from the oil tank has dropped into the crankcase. So, hypothetically speaking, if this bike that had been sitting for a while is, an oil change is performed by the owner, and the oil actually comes out of it and they add 3 quarts back to the oil tank, and then realize that it won't start, so they bring it to their friendly motorcycle technician to get it running. Don't tell them about that whole extra 3 quarts of oil in there. It's very likely that all that oil will then spew out of the oil tank because 6 quarts doesn't fit in a 3-quart container. It will get all over that not so friendly anymore motorcycle technician, and then he has a mess to clean up. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Sliky McSligerson. Hippie Jesus. John Maxwell, and sometimes I have time to make videos in this building here that's absolutely packed right now. Truth is, this is the current situation that I'm dealing with. Just bikes on bike, there's mess everywhere. I just cannot quite. Do you ever have so much running through your head that it just feels like a bunch of mush in there? I got all these big plans for videos. I normally don't even talk about what videos are coming, but I had so much planned, I never even got around to doing it. I got shop videos. I got a new toolbox. I want to do a video about it, but the shelf that I want to put on it, it's on back order. It's just not complete yet. I can't do a video on it. It's not complete. I pulled the starter motor out of this Dyna to rebuild it, but the parts are still in order, so I can't finish the video. I got all the disassembly film though. I have a whole box of Zero 3D stuff to mount to my Harley Davidson branded engine guard for my Heritage, so I can go on this October 5th bring it home ride and ride comfortably in the 2,000 or so miles that I'm gonna ride. Engine guard's on back order till the end of September. I don't even know if I'm gonna get it and get it installed in time for my trip. I got sales videos. 2020 Lowrider S that finally came in. Excited to debut it. Just kidding, it's sold. Like, I didn't get a chance to even ride it. Somebody else PDI'd it, pre-delivery inspection, then it's sold. So some other exciting models we've got though is a 2020 CVO Street Glide. It also sold before I got to ride it or do a video about it or anything. If you saw it in my dealer show videos, you know I'm pretty excited about the 107 Softail Heritage for the 2020 model year because it's chrome again, like the Heritages used to be. Got one of those in a new for 2020 color. It's sold. I'm really excited about the Rider Defensive Reflexive Defense. I have all this reading material for the HD Connect, the new use your phone to talk to your bike, the Reflex Defensive Rider System, new stuff for 2020. I want to do a video on that. I want to show you the modules. I want to ride the bike and see if you can actually tell that it has traction control is basically what this RDRS is. Got like 4 models that have it because it's an option for 2020. Yeah, they all sold already. And with nothing here and everything on back order, I actually have no videos. But I do have some information that I want to put out to you guys. The Insta360 that I talked about last week, they extended the motorcycle kit, so that's kind of cool. It's linked in the description of this video as well. If you happen to catch it, but you thought about getting one or saw the video too late and didn't realize that it's still going on, yeah, it's free motorcycle kit when you click the link below. We have bike night here at the dealership this Friday, September, that would be the 20th, I'm pretty sure. It'd be the 20th. Remember that whole like brain is mush? The Bring It Home ride in October, there's another October event and it's here at Chattahoochee Harley. We're doing a bunker bash, a Biketober bunker bash. It's the 3rd Friday night bike night. It's that whole weekend. We're gonna do something cool. As a matter of fact, that Saturday, I'm doing a meet and greet with me. That's why I'm doing a meet and greet. And I'm gonna do a ride too. So if you can't make the ride with me to Paris, Texas on October 5th, or on October 3rd, 4th, and 5th, really, then there is another ride here local. If you are local or you're closer to here and you can't go to Texas, but you can do a weekend thing, it's gonna be cool. Hotel rates, stuff like that. It's the dealership website. It's always linked down below, so you can check that out. Oh, and then there's also Flim in November. All this stuff is really, man, that's in Orlando though. If you Blockhead probably talks about. I haven't even started thinking about that yet. It's too far away. But I guess what I'm getting at too though is been so busy here. Travis, the guy who used to work over here, he like dabbed all the time, you know what? Yeah, he was always in the background doing funny things. He moved, he's gone. So we need a tech, really bad. Then I won't be so busy and I can do more fun things, not just run around here like a chicken with his head cut off. So if you have 2 to 5 years experience working on motorcycles, same website for the dealership. Yeah, you can fill out an application and I'll love you for it. Yeah, I got to keep this one short or I'm gonna have to edit it way too much. And I promise I'm gonna try to get some rest, try to refresh my brain, and there will be a video that's actually about something next Wednesday. If you like this video, make sure to give a big dirty thumbs up. If you didn't like it, well, yeah, give it a not thumbs up. Yeah. If you want to see any of those videos that I was talking about earlier, you're going to need to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell notification so you know when they actually come out. Hopefully they come out sometime soon. I am so tired. There's more videos right here and here. Whew. Peace out, dudes.